Less snowfall and record heat waves mean it's more important than ever to make sure that your plants, flowers, and lawn have enough moisture to sustain them, while also ensuring no water is ever wasted. B-hyve's family of smart water management devices is changing the way the world waters by delivering the exact right amount of water to your yard and never watering when it isn't necessary. The B-hyve family is growing with the addition of B-hyve XD, a hybrid hose tap sprinkler controller that lets you program water sessions directly on the device, or with the addition of a B-hyve Wi-Fi hub, sold separately from the B-hyve app on your mobile phone. As more families hit the road this year, it's comforting to know that you can control your B-hyve devices from thousands of miles away using our newly redesigned B-hyve app for iOS and Android. B-hyve collects local weather information to determine exactly when and where water should go, delivering precise amounts of water and never wasting a drop. By measuring the amount of moisture in your plants and soil, XD will automatically turn on sprinklers for your garden, ensuring you never under or over water. These days, precision counts. With 1, 2, and 4-port options, B-hyve makes it easy to control water use outside no matter how big or small your property is. Control watering zones uniquely, so that well-watered shaded zone skips a watering session when it isn't necessary. XD supports micro-watering sessions down to the seconds, giving you control over hydroponics and small gardens. Even without the B-hyve app, XD has a crystal-clear LCD display and easy-to-use device controls, so you can program your timer quickly and easily. B-hyve XD, the best of both worlds, with water management directly from the device or with the B-hyve app. From B-hyve, changing the way the world waters.